So another thing that comes up after you meet somebody and say hi is a lot of times you have to ask about his or her name, or what is your name. And so that's what we have here. First of all, we start off with what is his name. You'll notice really the big thing that changes between these three questions are the subject word. So just to kind of point it out ahead of time, il, this I-L word here, is the word for he. Elle, E-L-L-E, is the word for she. And then tu, T-U, is the word for you. Now obviously when you're using it in the context of these sentences, you can see by the English translation, it's not really translating word for word. Literally this says, how does he call himself? But no English speaker in their right mind walks around and saying, how do you call yourself? How does he call himself? It's just their way of asking, what is his name? What is your name? Again, you can't translate from English to French directly, and they order things and they approach them differently. So you can actually learn some of the subject pronouns like he and she and you from these sentences, even though you don't see the exact same word in the translation. So real quick, if you want to ask what is his name, in French you say, comment il s'appelle? For what is her name, it's comment elle s'appelle. And for what is your name, comment tu t'appelles? And then of course you have to be ready to answer those questions. So here we have the phrases for his name, her name, my name is. Remember that the reason why there's a dot, dot, dot there is you do actually have to fill in a name for this to be a complete sentence that makes sense. For his name is, in French, it's il s'appelle. For her name is, it's elle s'appelle. And then for my name is, it's je m'appelle.